It's one of the most abundant materials on Earth. It's made of sugars, but it's not sweet. It's really important for our digestive system, but we can't break it down. It's responsible for the birth of the film industry and the plastics industry. It's even been made into explosives. We write on it, we wear it, we eat it, but most of us wouldn't have a clue what it was, even if it was put in front of us. So what is it? Today I'm talking to you about cellulose. Cellulose is what makes up the primary cell wall of a plant. You might remember back in school days when we do animal cells and plant cells. Animal cells, the cell membrane was just a squiggly line, and plant cells, always very neat with a nice box with a cell wall around it. Why is this so important? Well, in animal cells, if it takes in too much water, the cell's likely to burst, a bit like this balloon. If I fill this balloon up with air, and imagine that the air is water, you can see for the animal cell, it's going to carry on filling up and filling up until it just bursts or lets it out. Plant cell, on the other hand, they're surrounded by the cellulose cell wall, and that makes a real significance for plants when they're taking in lots of water. Why? Because the cell wall stops the cell from exploding when it gets full of water. It acts as a protective barrier. It allows the plant cell to be full of water without actually bursting. So how's it made? Well, it's made of sugar molecules. Sugar molecules come in two main types. You get alpha glucose and beta glucose. The alpha glucoses are able to join up one after another after another after another in rows of thousands and thousands of molecules. And as they join up, they're able to curl up and form storage polymers, or storage molecules of sugars, which we're able to break down as energy. So that's our starch that we get in potatoes and bread and things. Cellulose, on the other hand, that's made up of beta glucose molecules. And these are very different, because the way they are lined up is that they're lined up in very tight, rigid structures, almost like little ropes or little wires. And these rigid wires allow them to form multiple layers and act as that really, really important cellulose cell wall. So, is cellulose important? Why, yes.